Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy, the bearded biker with Moto Nation USA, and I'm here to tell you that the Pan America is indestructible. What am I talking about? Stick around and find out. Recently, my dealership sent me out to the Wild West. They sent me out to the Wild West to ride 150 horses. Those horses come in the form of the Pan America. That's right, I went out west to ride the Pan America off-road. Well, I didn't have a lot of experience riding off-road, and as will be evident in some of these clips I'm about to show you, I didn't have a lot of experience riding off-road, but I went through a one-day training class and then a one-day off-road ride for about 20 miles or so. Well, along that, a couple of mishaps happened, and those clips are follows. Don't laugh too much. If you have any comments, please put them below. If you like this video and you want to see more motorcycle related content, please like and subscribe. I'm going to put those videos, and as you can see, the Pan America is pretty much indestructible. We're riding it. We have a couple of mishaps. Neither me nor the bike were damaged, thankfully, to my protective gear. So here are those clips.
Yeah. So on top of you at all? Good. Need a minute? You okay?
Yeah.
You sure? We got time to think about it.
I'm good.
Okay. Well, it's already halfway up.
Yeah.
Ready? One, two, three.
You got it, man.
Keep your
So we
head
need to take that
out of control. It might be soft here, good now, so just ease into it. Just put it in. That's it, okay.
Oh, damn it. Yeah. Huh?
Get out of this sandy shit. This stuff will bury you.
Yeah.
In the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Again, I'm Jimmy, the bearded biker with Moto Nation USA. I will see you on the road.
Down.